Hi, I think everyone has encountered this problem at least once, or will sooner or later, like a broken coolant reservoir cap. It doesn't just break down, it only breaks down when the valve gets stuck inside. This type of failure can also lead to antifreeze constantly being squeezed out through the hoses, or on the contrary, it leads to excessive vacuum in the cooling system, which manifests itself in the formation of a vacuum in a cold engine and the flattening of all the pipes. Neither the first nor the second brings anything good for the engine. To replace the cap, you need long nose pliers or something similar. The valve body and top cover have locks like a puzzle. You need to turn the cover and align them, but be careful. If you do this on a hot engine, remember that the system is under pressure, and opening the valve can cause burns from hot antifreeze. I don't have time to wait for the engine to cool, so I cover the valve with a thick rag and stand as far away as possible. That's what I was talking about. Even in this case, the antifreeze splashed a little all over the side where I held the pliers. That's all the coolant reservoir cap components. Now we'll need seal removal hook kit, we take a hook like this and insert it into the gap. Then we pry the valve body upwards from all sides. And in a couple of moves take it out, it's completely intact. Now take the new cap. That's all, thanks for watching. I hope my video helped you solve your problem.